Naresh, digital transformation, implementing AI, automation, it's a big job for any organization, but certainly in manufacturing. What are some of the biggest hurdles that you've seen, that you have encountered, and how do you folks at Axis help your clients overcome them?
The biggest hurdle I've seen, Kevin, is that the customer's telling us, "I need perfect data." Right? Honestly, I've never seen perfect data. I've seen some excellent data. Right? You don't have to wait for all your data to be in one place. You don't have to wait for it to be perfect. I think just start small with targeted use cases and show ROI on that. Once you have the ROI, right, and you obviously have a unified data architecture, you can keep making more and more data available over time. And each iteration builds on the last compounding value. I think that's the smart way to do it. Another big hurdle I see is people, the fear of AI replacing workers, right? I think I don't know if you've heard of Jevons paradox, but when in 18 something, when steam engines became more efficient, people expected the demand for coal to go down because it uses less coal. But as the engines became more efficient, the travel became more attractive and people traveled more. So the demand for coal actually went up, not down. So I think AI is like that. AI frees people from repetitive work so they can focus on higher value and more meaningful tasks. We end up producing more, cost will go down, and demand will go up, right? And the last one I'm going to say, and I had to pick this one very carefully, is that a lot of people think AI is for big companies. That's definitely not true. Just as an idea, if you have about 10,000 products in your product catalog and you want to scan them for inconsistencies like category mismatches or grammatical errors or something being not right, it will probably cost you about $150 in utilities. Now, of course, the development cost is a little different, but the utility cost that you pay to OpenAI or to Gemini or Claude is about $150. That's nothing, right? I mean, so AI is accessible to companies of all sizes and everyone can benefit. And a few other things like, I think Rajeev talked about AI cannot work with legacy systems. It definitely can. And people are worried about losing control with AI, when in actuality, you actually gain more control and visibility.